Today morning, we had less time. Dhamma before you leave from here to home. I will continue explaining. Make the budget suit Kalayani. So that you will attend to Prisantara Udayasa Achara Kusalosia, Dropa Mocha Pahulo, Dokas and the Grace. This means, we must be association with good friend, Pachus person. This is Medi Bajatu Kalayani. Why we should be association with Pachu person or good person? Because this Pachu person livelihood also very purified, very right livelihood. Adandiki, he is never lazy. Every time he used to try, he used to effort to do good deed. This if we have to associate with good person, this good person is his association also very good. According to Theravada, we had the two kinds of connection, one and another one. This is Amisa Parisantara, Dhamma Parisantara. Amisa me, for example, you had the friend, at the time you can associate, you have to associate with your friend, with your business, with your family. Sometimes when you had birthday, your friend give to you present. This material things is Amisa. Amisa Parisantara, and you one another one that give and get. You give your friend also give to you present. This is a connection with some material things, business or friends or family, education. Amisa Parisantara. Another Dhamma Parisantara is not like that. Only your friends with Dhamma friend. They have to connect only with Dhamma. Right now, but if you have to associate with the good person, this good person is used to encourage to you to do good deed. Good then, they don't call you to go to the club or nightclub or another echo shop, liquid shop. Baju Basin is every time Baju Basin used to be focused to do good deed. That is why we must be association with good Basin or Baju's Basin. And he is really clever regarding which Achara Kusala Sambaro. Achara Kusalo. Achara and Kusala. Kusala is in here very clever. Achara is responsibility and duty. After we have to become human life, every human life, I meet not only Buddhism, but also another religious person. If we are really human, we must be keep at least 5 precepts. This 5 precepts is responsibility or duty for human beings to be really true human. This good person and bad person really clever regarding that, how to keep, how to control. As well as he is clevering to control mind, to keep preserve, he used to encourage to his friend to keep the preset morality and concentration, samadhi, and insight knowledge, vipassana panya. He used to encourage to do them. That is why the Buddha told we must be association with good person or virtuous person. If that is why if we have to associate with good person, we will be Pati Maucha Bahulo. Pati Maucha and Bahulo. Bahula is very much, a lot. We have to feed joyful, a lot of joyful, because due to encourage by the good person to do good deed, and we also follow to do good deed, good association, good friendship, good to keep precept or another good thing. That is why we will feel a lot of joyfulness. This joyfulness, if we start to observe this joyfulness objects, we can do this objects can end all the suffering for our life. Dukkha Sandang Karisati. This Balipa is already I sent to you. This is last final Bali bags. So this Bali is finished. That is why today, before they leave from here, I would like to caution regarding with our age. Nowadays, everybody said we can live 100 years old. This age time also 100 years old time. So in the Chataka, our Buddha Dhammato to regarding with the age, how to Dhammato in here, for example, you have to you have to stay or you have to live 100 years old. At the time, the Buddha told this 100 years you can do but 10 years. That is why the term 10 years, if we do a part, or we can 10 time 10 years by 10 years. For example, if we have to live 100 years old, this 100 years old, we need to separate by 10 years by 10 years, 10 times. And I will explain this 10 years and by 10 years time, what we have to do or what we have to do. You don't need to answer to me. You have to sorry, you must be understand yourself. What is situation for your life? The Buddha told first 10 years. This after you born in the human life, first 10 years age. This age he called Manda Dasaka. At the time, you don't know to do job, you don't know how to make money. This Manda Dasaka time is you are just child, very young children. At the time, Manda means very weak, not strong, very weak. Your mindfulness, you are attitudes, you are virya, everything is very weak. You don't know whatever you do. You, you at the time, we not only you, on, but also we are also together. We have to depend to our parents. We don't know how to take shower. We don't know how to eat. So we have to depend our parents' help or another our elder brother or elder sister have to act. As for me, this Mandataska time, I had already overcome. And from 11 to 20 years old age, from 11 years old and 20 until 20, this time we call Kita Dasaka. Kita Dasaka means we have to know to play. We don't want to do job. We don't want to make money. We don't understand. We are go to school and we are playing. Nowadays we have to play game. This decards of the playtime. Keita Dasaka until 20 years old. This from 11 years or 20 years old time, the Buddha told, this is that the decades of playing time. And from 21 to 30 time, Wana Dasaka. Wana is a beauty. Dasaka is a decade of the beauty time. Our skin, our body, our face, from 21 to 30, this 10 years is really very good look and beautiful time. Everybody at the time, everybody have to try to good look, to beautiful, to himself. This is from 21 to 30 years old. I don't know what about you. Right now, I am already overcome this 30 years old. After that, from 31 to 40 years old, this time we call Bala Dasaka. Bala means our energy is very strong. Dasaka is 10 years old, decade. At that time, our energy is very strong to do whatever we do. We believe we can do it easily. Until 40 years old. From 41 to 50 years old, this time we call Panya Dasaka. Our wisdom or our education or our wisdom, our knowledge are very complete at the time. We can do thinking, right thought. We can do so many jobs right then. Even though we had a mistake, this is also a little because our wisdom is complete from 41 to 50 years old, Panya Dasaka. At the time, this time is our knowledge is really almost right, completely right thinking or right doing. Little it's a mistake time. After that, from 51 to 60, this time we call Hani Dasaka. Hani and Dasaka. Hani is go back. or reduce. What is Gobat? What is reduce? Friend of Hani Dasaka, Wona Dasaka, Bala Dasaka, Panya Dasaka. Wona is 30, Bala Dasaka is 40, Panya Dasaka is 50. Our skin or our beautiful also very reduced, very Gobat. Our energy also really weak or reduced. Our thinking, our wisdom also are very reduced at the time. That is why our 51 to 60 years old, this Wana, Pala, and Panya are really weak time. One, we have to decrease our beautiful, our energy, our panya, our wisdom. At the time, we can bend. We cannot do very well regarding with our job, regarding with our social dimension, social. So this Hani Daska is start to decrease for our life. After that, we were right at Babara Dasaka. Babara Dasaka means from 61 to 70 time. Babara, our body is how to say, our body is bent, our back also bent, cannot straight. Even though we straight, this is just short time, and our body is like this bent at the time 70 years old. Papara Dasaka. We cannot stay every time to straight our body. This start to bend. After that, we were right at the Wanga Dasaka. Wanga is really always our back is the bend, not straight, never straight again. Our body is really small and bent. This is from 71 to 80 years old. Wanga Dasaka. Our skin also at the time really wrinkled, not beautiful. Our hair, your hair also white color. Your eyes also not clear. Your hand, your left also. When you step, you cannot directly you cannot you cannot step directly. Even though you go forward, but your foot is another side. This is one Dasaka. After that, from 81 to 90 years old, more Muha Dasaka. More Muha Dasaka means we have to ignore it everything. We don't remember who is your nephews, your grandson or granddaughter, your son, your daughter, you don't know. Start to ignore it or more Muha Dasaka. And after that, we were right at the from 91 to 100 years old. This time, Sayana Dasaka. Sayana means lay down. We cannot sit, we cannot go, we cannot walking, we cannot walk. That is why we have to sleep in, lay down on the bed, because this time is very decay times. We wait to time. This is a Sayanata Saka. This is I explain inside the Pali test. But nowadays, our life, our age, not 100 years old, because when we became the Buddha time, at the time is 100 years old time. Right now, our Buddha is passed away already over 2,600 years old. So 100 years old decrease 1 year. So 26 years old is already take off from the 100 years old. So we are age right now 70.
74.
Yeah, no, 68, right? 68 years old or 75, right?
Yeah, 74. Yes.
Yes, 75. So you can think about yourself. You don't need to answer to me. Where you write, where you had situation. What is your situation? Right now, I can answer. Now I am 40 years old. So my right now 41 to 50 Thai is a Banya Dasaka. My knowledge, my wisdom is really complete Thai. I'm overcome Wana Dasaka beautiful Thai, Pala Dasaka energy strong Thai. If you didn't like that, even though we don't try something, our body is getting decay and death. After that, we cannot bring this our body. Even though we had that, we have to pay opportunity to rest, to eat, to use good there. But our body, when he right at the decay time, old age time, decay time, he is coming. This is really true for our life. So I would like to say, all yogi, right now you have to chance to go opportunity to practice Vipassana meditation and how it is and what happened inside your physical and there, you can research your sense. That is why don't be rushed. Don't be get opportunity to your body comfortable. Please try as much as you can to observe or Vipassana meditation to practice. After you know about our age situation, and this may be right now you do understand what is you do for your life in future time. Today I would like to say about that. That is why I'm trying to Dhamma talk, short Dhamma talk this morning. Exactly, today's I am very busy day. Right now, the outside they are already right at the here to pick at me. That is why I would like to start in here. Please thinking about yourself. 10 years by 10 years, you can think what you can what can you do for in your future life, and when you understand about yourself, please remember you must be do good deed, any good deed. You must be avoid bad deed, anybody, and you try purify of your mind always. This 3 points. All kusala, you must be do all kusala, all deed, anyway, any situation. You must be avoid from bad deed, but then, and you must be trying to purify of your mind. May all yogi be feeling peaceful in your future life.